In this video, I'm going to be talking about two types of reactions that are related, and they're really opposites of each other, just opposing processes. The first of these is called a combination, sometimes called a synthesis reaction. In this type of reaction, you have two things that are fairly simple or are simpler, forming something more complex. The opposite of this, the opposing process, is the decomposition reaction. Just like the name suggests, the decomposition reaction involves something falling apart, decomposing. And as you'd think, we have something more complex, breaking apart into parts that are more simple. One example of a combination reaction, a really common example, would be the formation of ammonia. And so in that case, we have nitrogen combining with hydrogen to form ammonia. Now, the universe isn't happy with our reaction here, so we need to balance this thing. Let's see, I'm looking at my H's, so least common multiple 2 and 3 means I need a 3 here. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. I've got 2 n's. Oh, look at this, I've got 2 n's there, so that's happy. The universe is happy with me at this point. There we have a simple combination reaction. As far as a decomposition reaction goes, we could easily have the electrolysis of water, for example, where we just have water separating. So in this case, we have something that's more complex, falling apart into things that are more simple. So we have water, H2O, falling apart into the elements that make it up, hydrogen and oxygen. And you can see how it looks like our form up here for our the skeleton type equation up here to represent decomposition reactions. Now in this case, I see that the universe is not happy with things. I've got 1 O over here and I've got 2 over here. So I need 2 O's on the reactant side here as well. I have 4 H's over here. And so to have 4 H's here, I need to go 2 here. So 2 times 2 is 4 H's. And that's it. I've got the combination or synthesis reaction and the decomposition reaction.